Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to redeem codes in Dragon City. But unfortunately, there is no direct way to redeem codes in the game. So when you click the gear button, you can see that there is no option to enter the gift code and redeem it, guys. But there is one way how to redeem codes in the game, and this is useful if you are new to this game and you are just creating a new account. So what you need to do is when you come across Dragon City links, and if you click this link, it will refer you to Dragon City app. And once you will download and create a new account, that might give you a code. Of course, if you use this kind of link that I mentioned above, guys, and once you will create a new account, then you might be able to redeem that code. So the question is, where can I find this kind of links? You can find this kind of links. You can find this kind of links on YouTube, in the descriptions of the videos, in Google, guys. So this is how you can redeem codes in Dragon City. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.